Did you know that children who engage in holiday crafting are 73% more likely to develop creative problem-solving skills and a deeper appreciation for different cultures? Crafting during festive seasons not only sparks their imagination, but also introduces them to diverse traditions, fostering cultural awareness and a sense of global connection. Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into the joy of creating fun and meaningful Islamic crafts for kids, perfect for celebrating special holidays like Ramadan, Eid, and other festive occasions. Crafting is a wonderful way to spark creativity while teaching children about Islamic traditions, values, and culture in an engaging and hands-on way. So, grab your supplies and let's make learning fun, artistic, and memorable. Many parents struggle to find activities that are both engaging and culturally meaningful for their children, especially during holiday seasons. With so many distractions, from screens to busy schedules, it can be challenging to keep kids entertained while also teaching them about Islamic traditions and values. Parents often look for ways to make learning fun and interactive, but finding crafts that are both educational and exciting can feel overwhelming. That's why Islamic holiday crafts are the perfect solution. They bring families together, spark creativity, and help children connect with their faith in a hands-on way. Fun, easy Islamic crafts for kids. Here are a few simple and meaningful Islamic holiday crafts that kids will love. 1. Ramadan Moon, Star Mobile. 2. DIY Masjid Lantern, exciting craft. Eid Money Envelopes, DIY Islamic designs. One of the most exciting and educational crafts kids can make is DIY Eid Money Envelopes. These beautiful, personalized envelopes are perfect for gifting Eid, while also teaching kids about the importance of generosity and giving in Islam. Materials needed: colored paper or cardstock, scissors, glue or double-sided tape, markers, stickers, glitter or washi tape, calligraphy pens for writing Eid Mubarak or Bismillah. Steps: cut out an envelope shape from colored paper using a template or freehand drawing. Fold along the edges and glue. Tape the sides to form a pocket. Decorate with Islamic patterns, moon and star designs, or Arabic calligraphy. Personalize it. Write messages like Eid Mubarak or Dua for you inside. Insert a small gift or money, and it's ready for Eid celebrations. These hands-on activities do more than just keep kids entertained. They help foster creativity, cultural appreciation, and a deeper connection to Islamic traditions. By crafting together, families can bond, learn, and celebrate in a truly meaningful way. Which Islamic craft are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to see your creations and hear how these crafts brought joy to your family.